Penawdar, good afternoon. My name is Councillor Sue Shotter and I'm the Chair of the Social Care and Health Overview and Scrutiny Committee. Can I welcome everyone to today's meeting, which is a hybrid meeting. The meeting will be live streamed and recorded and will be available for viewing after the meeting. Should the live stream fail, the meeting will continue and a recording will be available through the Council's website following the conclusion of this meeting. Can I remind members that translation facilities is available, and for those attending a Zoom meeting to choose your language of choice, please. For those wishing to speak in the chamber, please raise your hand to speak to let myself, the chair, or any of the officers, and turn your microphone on. It will turn red when prompted. For those on Zoom, please use the raised hand function. I will alternate between speakers in the chamber and on Zoom. For those attending remotely, please note that those in the chamber will be unable to use the chat facility. If possible, Zoom attendees are required to leave the camera on at all times. Moving on to the agenda, item 1, appointment of Vice Chair. Are there any nominations? Councillor Austin.
Lovely, thank you. I would like to nominate Councillor Abdul Khan. He's a former chair of full council and he's more than capable of doing the job of vice chair of this committee. Thank you.
Diolch. Do we have a seconder for that?
Thank you, Chair. I can congratulate you on your appointment to chair of this very important Social Care and Health Committee. I would like to second Councillor Abdul's proposal that Councillor Abdul becomes the Vice Chair.
Diolch. Are there any other nominations? Would you like to put your mic on?
Can I nominate? Sorry, can I nominate Councillor Angie O'Grady, please?
Thank you, Councillor Dave.
Those of you on Zoom, we're just having a few technical difficulties. We'll be with you shortly.
Yes, I would like to second Councillor Angie O'Grady because of her 14 years experience as a town councillor, including 2 years as mayor, one during COVID with the associated challenges. Angie has experience of chairing numerous meetings at town council and in the community. And of equal importance, Councillor Angie has worked in the care sector for 9 years herself, as well as being carer for her own father and providing voluntary respite care for friends. I think on both counts that would make her an extremely suitable and effective vice chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Kathy. Okay, any more nominations? Okay, we have 2 nominations for vice chair. We have Councillor Abdul and Councillor Angie. I think, Jane, I take Councillor Angie first, do I? Or
We can just take a straightforward who's in favour.
okay, so what we'll start with then is we will start with Councillor Abdul, who is in favour of Councillor Abdul becoming the appointment of vice chair. And all those in favour of Councillor Angie? Congratulations, Councillor Abdul has been made vice chair. Thank you.
Chair, through you, congratulate you on your chairmanship, and also thank Councillor Austin and Councillor Frank for support, for nominating me, and everyone who supported me. I look forward to working with you all. Thank you.
I'm sorry, we can't hear the people talking in the chamber on Zoom.
Do you want me to repeat, Chair?
Okay, those of you on Zoom, are you able to hear me and see me?
Yes, we can
Yes.
now. Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, super. Okay, thank you. So you're all happy to continue? Apologies for absence from councillors Paul Lecoq and councillor Bernice McLaughlin.
Sorry, Chair.
Oh, sorry,
Hi,
councillor Louise.
Sorry, just to say, Chair, that I need to go to a funeral just for 2:30. So if I leave at 2:30, that's the reason for it.
Thank you very much, councillor Louise. Much appreciated. Okay, we'll move on to agenda 3, which is declaration of interest, code of local government conduct. Members are reminded that they must declare the existence and nature of the declared personal interest. Any declarations today? Anything on Zoom, Jane? Okay, thank you. Okay. Urgent matters.
There are no urgent matters, Chair.
Okay, we'll next go on to the minutes. To approve and sign, just as a reminder, members, for new members, minutes are here for accuracy only and not for debate. These are the minutes from the previous meeting of the 17th of the 2nd, 22, pages 4 to 14. What we'll do is we'll take each page individually, so everybody has an opportunity to have a quick look and make sure that they're all happy. So page 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll take the first ones first, which actually goes up to page 8, which is for the minutes of the 17th of the 2nd, 22. So I'll take them individually. Councillor Brackett, are you going to propose the minutes as being correct? Do I have a seconder? Councillor Austin. Okay, could members show their approval by showing of the hands in the chamber as well on Zoom, please? Okay, minutes have been approved. Okay, we'll go to approve the next minutes, which is the one from the meeting held on the 23rd of the 2nd, 22, and that is page 9 to 14. We'll take each page individually again, please. So it's page 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Do I have a proposer? Councillor Frank? Do I have a seconder, please? And Councillor Austin. Members, we will now take the vote once again, just for accuracy. And thank you, and that's carried, thank you. Okay, next agenda is 6, social care and health overview and scrutiny committee terms of reference. These can be found on page 15. Dawn Hughes, the scrutiny and committee service officer, will present this item, and it will be for information only. So there's no voting. Thank you. Thanks, Dawn.
Thank you, Chair. So as the Chair said, this is for information only, and it gives you the terms of reference for this scrutiny committee and outlines the area of responsibility for the Social Care and Health Committee. And you've probably seen these before, as they were approved by Council on the 19th of May. So again, they're from information only.
Thank you, Dawn. Agenda 7, to review the Forward Work Programme, 6A, Social Care and Health Overview and Scrutiny Committee, Forward Work Programme, pages 16 to 23. Dawn, do you want to take those individually and then we'll go to the next Forward Work Programme?
Thank you, Chair. So again, for the benefit of new members, included on the agenda is the forward plan for the social care and health, and that's on pages 16 to 23. And also there's a combined forward plan, which includes the forward plans for Cabinet, Council, and all 3 other scrutiny committees for your information. As you can see on the front of the social care forward plan is a list of the programmes and projects which report to this committee, and once appointed, the elected member representatives will appear on the front. So updates from these programmes and projects will be scheduled on the forward plan, either on an annual basis or a 6-monthly basis. So the forward plan provides a list of reports due to be considered by this committee in date order. So these items were requested by the previous administration, and you have the opportunity to review the forward plan and decide if these are still your priorities. So over the next few months, the committee will consider reports, including the Director of Social Care's annual report, various annual reports from the corporate parenting and corporate safeguarding boards, and also representatives from Betsy Cadwallader University Health Board have agreed to attend a meeting to provide a further update on the orthopaedic services in North Wales. In addition, dates need to be confirmed for topics relating to the Welsh language in residential and nursing homes and workforce retention and recruitment.
Thank you, Dawn. What I'll do is I'll take propose and second on that, and then you can carry on with the forward work. Have you completed? Thank you so much. All right. Thank you, Dawn. We will now go to a proposer just for acknowledgement. Do we have anybody? Councillor Austin and a seconder. Councillor Frank. Could all members show their hands to approve this item? Thank you. Thank you, members. That's been carried. Okay, question to Cabinet members. Just for information, our Cabinet members for Children, Family and Safeguard is Councillor Roberts. And our Cabinet member for Integrated Adults and Community Services is Councillor Penny Andover. So welcome. Okay, Jane, any questions?
There are no questions, Chair.
Thank you. Agenda 9, nominations are sought for an overview and scrutiny representative to sit on the following programme boards and project boards. Members, this is not an opportunity to discuss the progress status of each project or programme. Monitoring reports will be scheduled on the Forward Work Programme in line with the programme and project frameworks. Social Care and Education Service Development Programme, that can be found on page 60 to 75. Sorry, Rian.
Oh, thank you, Chair. Just a quick mention. We have exempt items in items 10, 11, and well, it's item 11, which are the exempt items. They are there for information, really, for you to understand what the nomination process are in relation to this item. So I don't think there will be a need for us to discuss item 11 unless there are specific issues, but really, as these matters are not there for discussion, just nominations, I just wanted to make that point, really. So those items in item 11 are there to give background to the nominations in item 9.
Diolch. Okay, so this is for the Social Care and Education Service Programme Board, Work Board. Do we have, like I said, it's page 16 to 23. Do I have any nominations for this role? Nobody at all would like to put themselves forward? Thank you, Councillor Louise. Thank you very much. Anybody else? Do I have to have a proposer and seconder for that? Or
I'll second Councillor Lewis, Chair.
Diolch, Councillor Abdul and Councillor Austin, did you say? Okay, thank you very much. So Councillor Louise has gallantly put her name forward. Thank you very much. If I could have you all show your hands, put your hands up to show your support this nomination. I think that has been carried fully. Thank you very much, Councillor Louise, and I'm considering all the hard work you've done in the last couple of years. Okay, let's go on to the Dinnerth Road Development Programme. You'll find those on pages 76 to 87. I'm sure you've all had a chance to have a read. So hopefully I have got a nomination for the Dinneth Road programme. Anybody wishing to? Anybody on Zoom? Okay, members. I was actually on that board myself and it was extremely interesting. So I really feel like as you're coming sort of just at the beginning, believe it or not, we haven't progressed amazingly far because there are so many hoops to go through. So anybody that's sort of has any interest in seeing a program actually starting off the ground, this is a real good way forward to be really involved, and it is highly interesting. So is there any member who would like to?
You sold it to me, Chair.
Well, I do actually have somebody who's put a name forward. Is it?
Oh, no, that's fine then. No, carry on. I'll withdraw mine.
Councillor Abdul, would you like to propose Councillor Kay?
Absolutely.
Thank you. That's wonderful. And Councillor, thank you, Councillor Cathy. Okay, so we have Councillor Kay has lovely put her name forward, and I'm sure you'll enjoy that. If all the members would like to support her and put your hands up. Wonderful, that's being carried. Thank you very much. Okay, the next one is for nomination is the Bwyllgor y Ddwyl Development Project. Does anybody wish to put? Councillor Abdul, is that yourself putting yourself?
No, I just put my hand down. That was support for Councillor Kay.
Okay, is there anybody that would like to put the name forward for this? Councillor Louise.
Yeah, I'll support Councillor Louise, Chair.
Okay, well, I have. Okay, let me just, Councillor Louise, would you like to, because I know how hard you are working, so I don't want to overload you. I'm hoping that maybe some of the new members will consider taking something like this on. Again, it's an excellent, program. So I'm just looking around if anybody would like to nominate themselves and nominate somebody. Councillor Louise, thank you so much. Well, hopefully as time goes on, maybe somebody will sort of help out and want to wish to take over this role. I need a proposer first, Councillor Louise. Diolch, Councillor Austin and Councillor Frank. Okay, if I would like to go forward and ask all members to vote on this, please. Councillor Louise, thank you so much for once again coming to the forefront. Okay, the next one we want a member to hopefully put the name forward to as a nomination is the Bronnanant Development Programme.
Chair, I would like to put myself forward for this, please.
Thank you, Councillor Angie. Anybody would like to? Councillor Dave? Thank you, Councillor Dave. I need a seconder, Councillor Frank. Oh, excellent. We had 3 seconders there. Okay, members, if you would like to please vote for Councillor Angie. Thank you. That's actually been carried.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Okay, congratulations, everybody. I'm sure you'll thoroughly enjoy your nominations and your participation. Okay, we now go into the exempt items. Don't we? It's all done now, is it?
I move we go to the committee, Chair.
Can I first thank this first meeting actually is coming to a close. Can I really thank everybody for attending today? It has been excellent. I'm sure we will all, once we get into the running mode, we will be here for hours, which shall be very interesting. But thank you very much. And can I also thank Jane and Dawn for all the help, not only in today, but in also just before and during this meeting. Thank you. And all of you, Councillor Austin.
Can I also thank you for chairing and say all
You press the button. You press the button, Chair.
supposed to go green.
Yes.
Yes, can I thank you for chairing this committee? And can I just say you're an example to all chairs and vice chairs, because this meeting has run smoothly and short and sweet and to the point. Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr. I can't promise that will always be it, members. I'm sure we'll be here
You've
for
set a
quite a
standard
few
for
hours.
yourself now.
But today has been wonderful. Thank you all for attending and have a lovely afternoon.